Hello, in the last video we have seen how to check any kind of system, any kind of infrastructure using a GSA solution. But now what we want to do is to see how to explore AI module of GSA solution and to do deep analysis, of course, to combine this analysis with AI analysis. Let's see this just now.
Hello, in this test we are going to do a new test regarding the AI module. The first thing we need to test our module of GSA Solution regarding some checks on the system. Okay, so let us launch this one. Here we can see the log in the system. Let us reset this one. Yes, it is done, and you can see here we have no log again. So from this view, when the user just come here, he can do live test shoot on any module, any system, any server, any service, any app of his infrastructure, as it was shared in the previous video. I have just clicked. You can see here it has started to collect logs in real time. It is doing checks in real time. These checks are done in real time, as you can see. We can check this one in this view. From this view, you can see that if I open this one, like this dates, you can see that this is the current dates and this is the time. Okay, so it is in real time, it is done. So I can close this one. All these checks are done from this remotely. And to do now analysis, the engineer, as we said, has just to open, like for disk usage, like for top 10 memory processes, like for you can check for if table configuration, any kind of information. All these checks are done deeply in real time. Okay, so here are some analysis regarding some ports, some open ports on the system. We can embed inside any kind of checks, of course. So this one is done. I want now to show you now the part of AI analysis. Here we can open our AI assistant here. Okay, to do our analysis. Let us suppose that we need to do some basic checks. Okay, we can do something like we will tell our module to answer as an expert in cybersecurity. Here we are going to put here, this is our first instruction. Okay, and we have defined, we have collect some if table infos here. These are if table infos, if tables informations. This one. Okay, we are going to provide all these informations. Just add this one here, and we can just put all this information in our AI module. So from this analysis, we can add here some open ports, the system, like from this check here, from this listen port status. Okay, we can add this one. in the system. And this one are our checks. Then when it is done, you can select here the output of the language: French, English, Spanish. We have defined some language. The user has just to come then and click on analyze. So you just see in a few minutes, as here we are in our local machine. So but it is very powerful to process. We can see here in real time the consumption of our CPU usage and our memory usage. Okay, but we have lots of resource in this computer. So this is the output. We have the output, all the output here from AI analysis. Okay, so this is what we can do with this solution. Okay, at the same time in our web module here, we have we can map any kind of analysis regarding the logs, regarding the information, regarding anything. We can have all this information in our GSA web module. So using GSA solution, we have the real-time checks, as we have seen here for this module here. We have the real-time checks. We have all the analysis based on AI. Okay, regarding AI analysis. This analysis, the expert can combine this analysis with his expertise analysis to provide tune analysis in the system or to provide some advice. Okay, and also we have a possibility to embed any kind of technology in this system in real time. So working with this module is very important. Why? Because all the job which are like routine job, some repetitive task, all these tasks will be done then by AI module and by GSA solution globally, and the engineer will be focused on analysis. So this is what we can do with a GSA module, and it can be deployed in telecom infrastructure, it can be deployed in bank infrastructure, in any kind of infrastructure. We can deploy this solution for any kind of checks, for any kind of environment. We can do a lot with this module. Apart of that, also we have lots of real-time analysis. So we have lots of view regarding logs, as you can see here. We have lots of modules to do any kind of deep analysis for any kind of infrastructure deeply in real time in few minutes for the business, for good performance, for to improve MTTD, for to improve MTTR, to improve any kind of KPI in the business in real time. Thank you.